Hello team, this is the social platform which I'm going to show you. So this is the front end. Here you can search your post. Here you can check your stories, or you can create multiple stories as well by clicking on plus options. You can set up your photos and videos. Here you can check your news feed. So if any of your friend add any images or video, any content, so that data will come here. You can react on them. You can comment, you can share, you can check how much views on that post. Okay, after that you can check other content. Here you can check your pro user data, friend suggestions, you can check suggestion group, suggestion event we have, so that data will come. If you click on this option, then friend request, you will find out all friend request data here. This is a chatbot. Here you can check your notifications. Okay, if you click here, so this is a home page option. So if you click here, then that will be entered in the home page. Here you can check your popular post, discover post, or recent update. After that we have articles. So here you can create multiple articles. Here you can add your timeline of pages. Okay, after that my product. So here you can check your product, or you can create, or you can sell your product here. Okay, this is the marketplace. This is for like Facebook marketplace we have, so you can sell your product here. After that, funding we have, so you can set up your funding, or you can check your funding request, or you can create requests as well. Here you can check your save post, memories. After that we have a ads manager, so here you can create new campaign. Okay, you just need to have some data here, like advertise for, target URL and all. You just need to have some data. Okay, after that we have other things as well, like wallet boosters. So here you can boost your post, you can boost your pages as well, you can explore new people. This is a discover. Here you can check friend request, or this is a send request. You can filterize as well. After that we have a pages, so you can set up your pages, you can check, or you can create multiple pages. So this is the pages category. After we have a groups event, we have a watch, so you can add multiple videos and movies like Facebook. In this, here you can manage your blogs, or you can create, or you can manage that. After we have a marketplace, so if any user add any product, that data will come here. You can check your shopping cart, orders, you can sell your product as well. After funding we have offers, we have job form. These are details you can set up, or you can create, or you can manage that. Here you can check your points, wallet, marketplace, funding. Here you can change some settings if you want to change some things. Here you can check your admin panel, which I will show you. Okay, so this is a user side, so you can set up your own background. Here you can add your images and all. After that we have like posts and requests, images, how much images and we uploaded videos and all. We can set up that. Let me show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel which I am going to show you. So this is the dashboard. Here you can check monthly average, like how much users we have, pages we have and all. Here you can check users, how much online we have, how much bans, active or not active, posts, comments and all. We can manage that. Okay, after that we have some settings, so you can change or you can update, like system, date, time, format and all. You can set up your own SEO. You can manage that SEO. We have a module, so if you are these are module you can set up, you can easily remove, or you can use that. So if you remove, so movies will disappear from front end like that. So you can manage that. Here we have a feature, so here you can filter by location, daytime and all. You can manage that. Here you can post, gifts and all. You can manage that. After that we have a post settings, so for a story, how much durations, newsfeed post source and all. You can manage that. Memories, enable, disable, voice notes, max duration, what is the durations and all. Geolocations, we are using already Google Map API here. We are using Jiffy. Post translation, for that we are using Yandexkey. For a smart YouTube we have these all are already working. You just need to add some data only. After that we have a registration. So user can register easily, or they need to buy any plan forms for registration. Invitation system we have, activation enables we have, age restrict we have. After that we have some social login as well. After that some account settings, so you can switch account, you can switch username, special character we have, delete account we have, verification requests and all we have. Here you can manage your profile as well. After that some emails we have, so here you can set up your SMTP and all, manage that. Here we have SMS, so you can use your Twilio, bulk SMS, Infobase or Message 91. We already using these four, so you just need to add key and it will be work. After that we have some notifications, so you can manage notification as well. After chat settings, so you can manage chat here. You just need to add Twilio key, then it will be work. Live streaming, we are using live streaming for with Agora. You can set up Agora here. After that we have some upload settings, so you can manage upload settings, payment settings. So we are using already PayPal, Stripe, we are using Paystack, we have coin payment, we have RadiaPay, we have coins cash free, we have. You just need to add that key, then payment gateway will work for you. Okay, after that we have some security settings, so you can manage that. Limit settings. So in security setting, let me show you. So bad login limit, lockout time, unusual login detect. We have two-factor reserve usernames. It will be automatically updated. Conjure words. So these types of words nobody can use because we already disable that words. HTML enable reCAPTCHA we are using here. Label settings we have. So here we can check or we can update. And Lash we have themes, so we already had one theme. If you want to add, then you can add new themes. After that some design, so you can change design or you can manage some things here. After that language, so you can set up multiple languages, multiple country or multiple currency. So in which language, which country or which currency you are using, you can set up that or you can edit that. After that we have a gender. After that you can check your user data, you can edit, delete, or if you click on any user, that data will open. List of moderators we have, you can manage that. List of admins, list of online, list of when you can check. Here you can check users groups, or here you can check list of accounts, means in this group how much users we have. Okay, after permissions group, so you can set up permissions here. After that you can manage posts, so you can check how much posts we have. So here you can find out the author name, means who posts, like which types of we have, time and link. If you click here, then you can check which what text or what article they had published. So like profile picture is there. If I click here, then profile picture will show you. Okay, so after that same thing for a pages, so you can manage page and page category. After that we have a groups, event, blog, offer, job, form and all. You can manage it. After that we have a ad settings, so you can manage ads like cost by view, cost by click, what price was there. Okay, after that we have a list users ads, so who are using ads feature, the data will come here. Okay, you can check your list. Here you can manage wallet, pro system, so you can check your pro system, so you can enable in the ads feature or not, you can manage that. List of packages, so your user will buy any package from you for pro membership. Here you can check list of subscribers. Affiliate system we have, point system we have, marketplace, so here you can manage your marketplace settings, like which payment method we are using, marketplace we can enable, disable and all, what is the commissions and all, you can manage it. After that list of product, order, category. After that we have a funding details. After that we have a content monetization, so if anything was there, then it will come here. After that we have payments request tips, you can manage. After that payment, here you can manage your coin payment. Okay, after that bank receipts, so all data will come here. Okay, so other things are not like this is developer, so your developer will do. Here you can manage your reports, blacklist, verifications and all. You can manage it. If you generate fake details like fake users, fake pages and groups, so you can create multiple fake details. Okay, If you want to auto connect garbage collector, backup database, so you can do it. This is a customization option. This is for, you can, like stickers, you can create stickers, or you can create multiple stickers, or you can edit stickers. You can manage your gift, emoji, reactions, and you can check your reach, like announcement, mass notification, and all. You can manage that. Okay, so we already show you the complete demo. So if you have doubts, then let me know. We will try to help you. Thank you.